What's Gucci YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, and I'm gonna come at y'all today with something a little different. So I went outside of my comfort zone and did something that I've never done before, and I bought a car.
Hey, so make them run it back.
So yeah, y'all just saw Helga the Honda, and I'm gonna give y'all a little walkthrough on the car. She's a little beat up. She needs some love, but I'm gonna record the whole process. So y'all stay tuned. So getting into the damage, she has a little crack right there in the bumper, which is fixable. I'll probably end up getting a new bumper if it's not really salvageable. If you look under it too, the undercarriage tray, whatever you want to call that, is hanging. Coming around to this side, it's a little dent in the door. Somebody thick was leaning on the door and put a little dent in it, so I'll be able to pull that out, and that's still not that bad. Going around to the back of the car, forget the pollen, but you still got all these spots where the paint has started to fade off, so I wanted to try it myself, but I might end up getting that $400 Mako special. The top is also faded, so we gonna work on that. She just need a little TLC, and let me show y'all the inside. Yeah, the front door doesn't open, so the place I work at an automotive shop, and we've been trying to get this door open for the last 3 days, and we couldn't do it. So I'm frustrated, and worst case scenario, we're probably gonna have to do something to get this door off that I don't want to do, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. And if y'all know about Georgia, y'all know about this whole pollen situation. I kid you not, I just got it washed a day ago, and it's already got all this goddamn pollen on it, man. Like, come on, dog. I can't. Everything works though. That's a little hazy, but everything works. Turn it down before I get copyrighted. Radio works. Blower, air conditioning blows just well. Blows perfect. Yeah. And the gear selector is missing a little button that goes on the end that helps you shift the gear. So I gotta kind of put my finger in it. You feel me? Put the finger in it to shift gears. Even though she's been sitting for a while, she still fires up with no issues. There is a check engine light. I've already scanned it. It's only an O2 sensor, and the best part about this, if you know about Hondas, especially the Accord platform, they live forever. The older ones. This one only has, see if it'll focus, 154,000 miles on it. So you know this thing will live forever. Coming into the interior, all the seats are cracked and dusty. I went through and I vacuumed out everything that was in here, but you still got a bunch of stains. The guy that I bought it from has kids as well, so it all makes sense. Like I said, the door, we already popped panels off. Panels already hanging. The radio didn't work at first. I had to go through some online Honda website to get the radio unlocked, and we got that taken care of. Let me show y'all under the engine bay now. Under the engine bay is what you'd expect. Of course, it's a 4-cylinder, and from what he's told me, the car's been sitting for the last 2-3 years consistently, like no driving whatsoever, so it has signs of it. It just needs a decent detail all the way through. No leaks. Headlights are a little hazy, still need some paint work right there. Other than that, she's a solid car. I've been driving her for about the last 4 or 5 days now, and I'm not upset. I'm actually impressed. I forgot that I never formally introduced y'all to my girl BB either. BB right here has been a soldier for me. So '01 Acura MDX, and she needs a little work too. Let me know if y'all want to see a restoring BB as well. Had a little fender bender right there. I don't want to say too much, but dude in that smart car, you know who you are. The dude is actually looking at me. I don't even care, dog. But yeah, this is J-Lo and Helga the Honda right here signing out. We got people watching us, but I don't even care. And we'll catch y'all on the next episode of, what are we gonna call it? Restoring Helga. Helga Hurts. Something Helga. Whatever the name I come up with, that's what we're gonna go with. We'll catch y'all later.
Hey, so make 'em run it back.